Hi, I'm Robert with Tri North Builders.
And I'm Lindsay with Sign Art Studio.
And I've been doing this for 10 years now, and I'm too old for it.
So we have...
I'm Jenna Gruder with Findor.
And we are both board members here with Kids Building Wisconsin, and we are very excited to announce that we have officially opened registration for our event, which is being held Saturday, May 18th, again at McKee Farms Park in Fitchburg. Now, a couple things to note. This is a completely free event, minus the food trucks that we have. This is our 10th year, and we are so excited because registration, again, is now open.
And beyond that, if you're one of the first 4,000 kids, you get a free tape measure this year. We also want to let everyone know that there will be 4 available lots for parking. We'll announce the locations at a later date. Only 88 will be on site. Everyone else should park in one of these designated lots. And we'll also have plenty of food trucks. As Lindsay noted, those are paid for at the event. And there's lots of dessert trucks around as well. So Lindsay will go through who we have for title sponsors.
Yes, we want to give a shout out to our title sponsors. Thank you so much for your support in this event. We have Airing Equipment back with the big equipment. We have Bolt with the mosaic tiles, Daily Reporter, Dodge Construction Network, Tri North Builders will be back with their demo wall, and Ideal Crane Rental will have their big crane once again.
We'll also have the Painters Union doing painting, Manitowoc Crane, MTL Holdings, Pieper Electric with Snap Circuits, Reynolds Equipment with the crane cab, Stevens Construction with the Playhouse, and of course Findor with the virtual reality goggles.
Yes, so again, thank you to our title sponsors and all the sponsors for that matter for making this event possible. We are so excited to just have everybody be involved in this event once again. One thing I will note, last year being year 9 was our largest event of the ever. We had close to 9,000 people, I believe, and it was an amazing day. However, it is a volunteer-based event, and if you're interested in becoming a volunteer, please let us know, as your help will be much appreciated and needed. So come help us inspire future builders Saturday, May 18th, 2024 at McKee Farms Park. Jenna, where can they register at?
kidsbuildingwi.org. We look forward to seeing you at the event on May 18th.
See you then. Bye.